Hi friends, and welcome to this video. I will show you how to use Base44 with integration with different apps. So friends, log in your Base44 and then go to integration steps from here. After that guys, click integration, and then guys you see different app and software you can integrate. If you want to integrate, for example, with Slack, just click this app, and then guys all you have to do, you have send a message in Slack and click this integration required backend functions. It's not available. So guys, I want to go back and I want to integrate with, for example, ChatGPT. Guys, all you have to do, you have convert text to speech, just copy a link, the integration steps was approved, and then you can integrate it with your requirements API case, and you have the set option. You have different things guys. Actually, just click use this integration from here, and you can start integration with different app and catalog, and you can just click create integration from here, and then write your integration name and write your description, and then you can upload image, and you can add convert text to speech from here, and then click continue to integration content. This is how you can do guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and give share this video for more content. You can add your API case for integration steps.